Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and I was actually going to do a different reaction, but I saw this in the recommended and I thought this would actually be a more interesting one, and it's nuclear explosion power comparison. Yeah, it's one of those comparison videos, so I mean, it's not very long, but I'm going to do 3 videos today, so I'm just sort of thinking I can do a shorter one that interests me in its own way. But yeah, we're going to get into this, hopefully you're going to enjoy, suggest some more videos you want to see in future, and let's just jump into this. Damn, that's loud. Yeah, so I assume it's just like music and sound, so I don't have to have the audio as high as usual. Alright, I'm actually gonna watch this properly. I'm just adjusting the audio and shit. Alright. So starting with some TNT. Okay, this is loud as shit, man. For me, anyway. It's quick as hell, too. So, the neutron bomb. It goes very quick. Lethal side effect of radiation. Largest accidental explosion. Wait. Is this even related to the video? Or is this just suggesting another video? And it could cover the fucking entire Mount Everest. What? Radiation fallout worse than blast. Hydrogen bomb, which is one I do know about. Deadliest bomb in the US arsenal. Exploded in sky but destroyed entire forest. What the hell? Castle Bravo, most powerful explosion the US detonated. Most powerful bomb created by the US. SAR bomber, which obviously we all know about. But I know about. Comparing it to the Hiroshima bomb. Flipping hell, man. So this is the most powerful bomb ever detonated. So, and there's more. What? Oh, now we're getting to like volcanoes and stuff. All nuclear bombs detonated together. If 30,000 warheads in total simultaneously exploded. Let's hope not. Magnitude 10 earthquake. Antimatter bomb. Theoretical maximum efficiency bomb. What? Super volcano eruption. Let's pray this doesn't happen anytime soon. Cause no thank you. Oh man. Jeez. For the next few decades, I want to use all life on Earth. It is kind of wild how life still found a way, even when that happened. Alright, I'm going to do another one as well. It was an alright video. It was a bit all over the place. I'm going to turn the audio off for this one because I reacted to this channel. I tried reacting to it 2 days ago when I only posted one video and it got blocked. But I thought it was quite an interesting channel and this could be an interesting little watch, so I'll check this out too. Why not? So the average tornado. 10 meters wide, 137 kilometers per hour. Oh, so average tornado EF1, okay. Largest dust level? Imagine how scary a dust one would be, what? Largest water spout. I think I've seen one of these in person though, at my grandparents. I feel like I did see it and it was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Average tornado EF2. Largest steam twister. These are weaker than water spouts and distinct from them. These are more akin to weak tornadoes over water. I've never heard of a steam twister in my life. Average tornado EF3. Stronger tornadoes only account for about 6% of annual tornadoes in the US. Fire ones, yeah, these are mental. A gigantic fire well in 1923 in Japan killed 38,000 people in 50 minutes in Hifukosho, Ato region of Tokyo. What? Wait, what? I have never heard about this before. Wait, when? Wait, obviously it says when, but why have I never heard about this before? And has anything like this happened since? Oh mate, imagine that coming towards you. That must be the scariest thing in the world. It's making these other ones look tiny. Around 1.1% of annual tornadoes in the US are EF4. Extremely rare, making up to less than 0.1% of annual tornadoes in the US. And again, it's just making the other ones look tiny, man. Oklahoma. So now we're getting into real ones. Oklahoma tornado 1999. Joe, yeah, I've done like reactions seeing about this before. These ones are crazy, man. And this is when I can really see the scale of them, right? Tree State tornado. In 1995, this was the deadliest tornado in the history of the United States and holds many other infamous records. There's still 3 more. Seeing this one too, the more tornado, which, yeah, flipping insane. This is in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, April 1989, it was the costliest and deadliest tornado in Bangladesh's history. The Daulapur Saturia tornado, 1989. This is the first one that I've seen that wasn't the El Reno tornado. Look at the size of this compared. Very large EF3 tornado that occurred over rural areas of central Oklahoma during the early evening of May 31st, 2013. See, what blows my mind here is imagine all the tornadoes that we haven't seen or we haven't got footage of from hundreds and hundreds of years ago, if not hundreds, thousands of years ago. Because there's bound to have been even bigger ones, but just we obviously haven't recorded it. There must have been some absolutely freakishly big ones. I mean, these are freakishly big in their own, but just probably double the size and stuff like that. I just can't imagine what we've missed. If this is what we've seen, and this is it compared to average tornado, giant truck, and all this kind of stuff. Mad. I will not put a human comparison because it would be possible to see them. Madness. Well, this is a fun couple reactions. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Once again, sorry if there was no sound because I done a reaction, it got blocked. But if you want more of these comparison ones, I'm down to do them. But yeah, until next time, like, subscribe. Peace.